order to understand the structure of alkyl halide, we will take the example of methyl chloride and see how methyl chloride is formed. So we take the example of methyl chloride, CH3Cl, methyl chloride. Now in methyl chloride, the mode of hybridization of carbon is sp3. Carbon is sp3 hybridized, right? Now chlorine, atomic number 17. Write down the electronic configuration of chlorine. Electronic configuration of chlorine would be 1s, 2, 2s, 2, 2p, 6, 3s, 2, 3p, x, 3p, y, 3p, z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the electronic configuration of chlorine. Here you can notice the students, in chlorine, its 3pz orbital is half filled. 3pz orbital. 3pz orbital of chlorine is half filled. How many electrons are present in 3pz orbital? There is 1 electron. 1 electron is present in 3pz orbital. So methyl chloride is formed by the overlap of sp3 orbital of carbon with 3pz orbital of chlorine. There is an overlap between sp3 orbital of carbon with 3pz orbital of chlorine. Let's see how molecule is formed. Now if you write the structure of, draw the structure of methyl chloride, this is carbon, students, and the mode of hybridization of carbon is sp3. So sp3, all the 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals, they arrange themselves in such a way that the bond angle in between them is 109.5 degree, that is tetrahedral angle, right? So this is sp3 hybridized carbon. Now sp3 hybridized carbon, CH3Cl, we have CH3Cl. It means carbon form 3 sigma bond with a hydrogen atom. The valence electron of hydrogen atom is present in S subshell and the shape of S orbital is spherical. We know what is the shape of S orbital. S is spherical. So here we have overlap of sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon with S orbital of hydrogen. This is the overlap of carbon with sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon with S orbital of hydrogen. This is the overlap, students. Here we have overlapping. This is hydrogen and here we have sp3 S overlap to get sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen. Likewise here, this is hydrogen, right? And the overlap is sp3 S overlap. Similarly here, carbon and hydrogen, sp3 S overlap, right? In this way, we get 3 sigma bond by the overlap of 1 carbon with 3 hydrogen atoms. Now let's see how carbon chlorine sigma bond is formed between carbon and chlorine. Now sigma bond is formed between carbon and chlorine by the overlap of sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon with 3pz orbital of chlorine. So we will make 3pz orbital of chlorine here. Here we have chlorine. This is 3pz orbital of chlorine, right, students? And here we have overlap. Here we have overlap. We get the sigma bond, right? So this sigma bond is formed by sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon with 3pz orbital of hydrogen, right? So in this way we get sigma bond here, sp3 3pz orbital. We get sigma bond. Now the shape of molecule will be, we get the molecule like this. Here we get the molecule hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen, but here we have chlorine and the bond angle between them is 109.5 degree, that is the tetrahedral angle. This is the orbital structure of methyl chloride. This, what is this, students? This is the orbital structure of methyl chloride. I hope this is clear, students. Now we'll see the what is the bond angle, students. It has tetrahedral angle. What is tetrahedral angle, students? It is that is 109.5 degree. The 109.5 degree is the tetrahedral angle. All the carbon and carbon hydrogen bonds, carbon all hydrogen and hydrogen carbon chlorine bond angles are tetrahedral. We can say we can write as all hydrogen carbon hydrogen and hydrogen carbon chlorine bond angle, all the bond angles are of tetrahedral, that is 109.5 degree tetrahedral. I hope the structure of methyl chloride is clear to you, students.